Hi guys, this is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and I have Maddie with me, and we are basically two ex-radio professionals who are doing this for fun, and we love reacting to content online, whether it's trailers
Mm-hmm.
or music. And if you have any suggestions for us, leave them below. But right now, we're gonna get into a brand new trailer, Maddie?
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. It's been a while since we've seen Radhika Apte on Netflix. I think Radhika fans and Netflix was also getting a bit of a withdrawal, I think. Today,
They
the
had
trailer
to
that we
bring
are
her back.
reacting, yes, the trailer we're reacting to is her new offering on Netflix with Nawaz, and I think it's also got Tikmanshu
Nava.
Bhutia and Swanam Kirkire. It's directed by Hani Trehan. It's a movie called Raat Akeli Hai.
Is it a
And
movie or a series?
I am not sure, funnily enough. Hmm,
Uh, okay,
good
but if it's
question.
Netflix, it must be a series,
It's
no?
a film. It's a film. It's a film. It's a new film.
Oh,
Yes, it's a film.
oh,
So it's called Raat Akeli Hai. It's a crime drama thriller, and it's up on Netflix. So that's what we are going to react to today.
let's see
So
what the trailer is about.
yes, yes.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
One, two, three, play.
क्या हुआ यहाँ?
इस घर के मालिक ठाकुर रघुवीर सिंह जी उनकी डेथ हो गई।
आप सबको हम एक बात बता देते हैं, यहाँ जो कांड हुआ है ना, हम करेंगे उसकी जांच।
Command.
घर का कोई आदमी इन्वॉल्व है इसमें। थोड़ा खेल थी आप इनकी। आप यहाँ नहीं थे, कहीं बाहर थे? एमजी रोड। सेल लोकेशन तो कुछ और बता रही है। आपको उनके जाने का दुख नहीं है?
उनसे मिले ही कितना थे जो झूठा दुख दिखाएंगे?
किस प्रकार के आदमी थे आपके पिताजी?
क्या लगता है आपको किस प्रकार के होंगे?
कौन उनसे इतनी नफरत करता था कि शादी की रात थी?
जिनके पास सब रहता है ना, उनसे लोग नफरत नहीं करते, उनसे लोग जला करते हैं।
ये केस बहुत टेढ़ा है। कैबिनेट तोड़ा गया, बंदूक चलाई गई और किसी ने कुछ सुना ही नहीं।
सीधा सा केस है, एक आदमी की हत्या हुई है जो कि उसकी पत्नी और प्रेमी ने मिलकर कर दी है।
थाने नहीं ले चलेंगे?
अभी मुन्ना भैया को फोन लगाते बहुत हो गया तेरा टंटा।
कल सुबह तक तुम्हारी वर्दी ना उतरवा दी ना तो देखना तुम।
यहाँ अपनी औकात समझना बहुत जरूरी है।
ज्यादा दिन नहीं चलेगा ये सब।
Oh,
Oh,
सच बोलोगी तभी हम कुछ कर पाएंगे।
कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे साहब आप।
वो छिनाल जाने क्या करके रखे, आपने दिमाग का गोबर बना दिया।
और अगर एक बार दिमाग ठनक गया ना, फिर चाहे वर्दी जाए
Wow.
चाहे चौकी, हम सच कहीं से भी खोद निकालेंगे, इसकी चिंता आप न करें।
चाहे मर्जी से आप छुट्टी पे जाइए, नहीं तो हमसे कहिए, हम कर देते हैं आपको सस्पेंड।
इतना आसानी से नहीं जाएंगे हम डरते नहीं किसी से। नाम याद रखिएगा, इंस्पेक्टर जटिल यादव। कौन मार सकता है उनको, तुम दोनों को छोड़ के?
कोई भी हो सकता है, हमसे ज्यादा हिम्मत वाला, हमसे ज्यादा त्रस्त।
that's a nice
पर ऐसे
chest
किसी
set.
को हम तो नहीं जानते।
mm-hmm. Trust. I haven't heard the word in a while.
Hmm.
Trust.
Interesting.
Yes.
Seeing all those slaps, I feel like slapping
Yes.
someone. But no, initial thoughts. It just reminded me of a game of Cluedo. You know, the board
Mhm.
game where
Mhm.
there's been a murder in the house and you have to
House
figure
and
out
somebody is the murderer and
who
who's
is
the
in the black, which card is in the black thing. But we know the weapon, we know the room. We have to
Mhm.
find who done it, Mrs. Peacock.
Yes.
But yes, no, obviously, I think this is Nawaz's first outing since Sacred Games 2, na, for Netflix, or has he done something else after? Either
For
way, I mean,
Netflix, yes. For Netflix, yes.
yeah, for Netflix. So
Um,
I think now ulta ho gaya. He's the cop,
yes.
but he was also a guest at the wedding, from what I could make out from this trailer. and then it happened in front of him, and now
Mm-hmm.
he's like, I'm gonna find. But he seems to be very involved emotionally with solving this case, whether he gets suspended or not. So who knows if there's a backstory there. But the cast looks amazing, huh? Like the girl
The
from
cast looks
Masan,
very
I think Shweta
Shweta
Tripathi, her name is.
Tripathi. Then there is also, I
She's
think her
there.
name is Padma Rao, the lady who says जिनके पास सब होता है, उनसे लोग नफरत नहीं करते, जला करते हैं. I love that
Yeah,
line. It is so true.
yeah,
Nobody hates you for having everything. They just wish it was them.
yeah. And Radhika Apte, what can we say? She's gorgeous, but
Yes.
obviously Netflix thinks the same. I've only seen, I haven't seen much of her work. I have to tell you honestly, I've only seen her in Andhadhun. I haven't
Okay.
seen anything else she's
Okay.
been in, and I really
You
like both
haven't
her
seen
roles.
her in what was that movie with Varun? Um, this is the
I've
sign
seen,
that.
I haven't seen anything she's done except Andhadhun, and I know
Okay.
I've not kept up with the times and the shows, and I saw all the
Mm-hmm.
memes that whatever Netflix made, she was in it. But I liked what I saw of her, and obviously
Mm-hmm.
even in this she looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
Very very curious, and the thing is, this whole crime, thriller, suspense, drama genre is really in demand right now, I feel, and that's obviously why they're producing more and more content like this, all the platforms.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a huge market for it, especially in India right now.
True.
And if you're
It,
gonna put together these brilliant performers into one
so
project,
often, yeah. So I think it's also because we started talking about this content, and a lot of content of, at least since we started reacting to videos, is also content that's been put out during COVID times, right?
yeah,
Which means that I think the OTT platforms have become the go-to for any new content to be released, right? I mean, theatrical releases are unlikely to happen for any amount of time, but the streaming wars also, we've spoken about it in our earlier videos as well.
yeah,
It seems like the war is heating up, and India is the battleground. So you
yeah,
can
yeah,
you
yeah.
can see both. I think across not just the two big players, Prime and Netflix, but you also see everybody else. Even Hotstar is acquiring, which I think is a great time to be a content creator, because if you have
Mhm.
an interesting idea, uh, if it's a crime, it's drama, it's gritty, and it is set in the Indian context,
Yeah,
you can replicate some of the successes of the other shows. Like both of us have gushed over Peaky Blinders, and it's a gritty crime drama. So Arya, or even this movie, if
yeah.
it can replicate that, or breathe into the shadows, that's also a thriller. But if it is set in the Indian context, just think about the audiences you're going to gather, and it's also great
Yeah,
for writers and directors and performers, because they get to do something that's very different from what is run of the mill, what is churned out, because you're getting a theatrical release.
yeah, yeah. And also, like, I was watching the VP of content head for Netflix. I think Monica Shergill, if I'm not mistaken, that's her
Mm-hmm.
name. There was an interview of hers recently with Rajiv Masan online, because Netflix just announced like 17 new
Shows
um,
and
content
movies.
shows, and yeah,
Yeah.
so she was on online talking to him, and she said that we are very focused on just telling good stories. So we don't we're not looking कि दूसरा platform क्या कर रहा है और कर रहा है. If a story comes to us that we feel is worth telling and putting our might behind, then we're happily going to do it, because and we're not even going to look at it as from an Indian perspective, because we are a worldwide platform, and
Mm-hmm.
anyone in any part of the world um, should and can relate or connect with the story or get engaged by it. Then
Correct.
we
Correct.
will put our mind behind it, which is a great way forward, um, and stuff for India, because for far too long we've relied on just Bollywood and on just the big
I
movie
agree.
production houses
I
in the
agree.
country, and all the
I agree.
legacy houses of the country, and like real talented actors and technicians and everyone else is getting so much of a huge this thing
Playing
to
field now. Yeah. I
yeah,
agree. I
and the
agree.
audiences, we are getting so much better content. Like if Netflix and Prime and these platforms had come, say, a decade before, I'm just, theoretically speaking here, if were they here 10 years before, we would have heard of Nawaz and Irfan so much earlier, right?
That's
Jaideep
true.
Ahlawat,
That's true.
Patal Lok, like all these character actors who did Chotu roles in films would have been household names so much earlier than.
I agree. I agree. And
So
I think what Monica has made a statement is also very true, because I'll give you an example. During the number of people who've recommended Erdogul Ghazi, the Turkish
Yeah.
dramas, series,
Yeah.
right? And the look at Money Heist, for example, right? People
Yeah,
watch Money Heist. It's not an English series.
And it
It's
flopped
in
in Spain
Spanish.
after season 2.
But it became a global sensation, right?
Yeah. There's a
The
whole
number of people
documentary on it.
or for example, Snowpiercer, the Korean drama, The King and
Yeah.
I, The Monarch. There are so many of them. Crash Landing on You. They are all Korean
Yeah.
dramas, but they've found new audiences.
Global
I think
audience.
Netflix
Yeah.
has just added 23 million new users during the last 3 months because of
Oh,
COVID and
not
the fact
surprised.
that people. So if your audience base is expanding, it also makes sense for you to offer something very different, right?
Yeah.
And especially for Indian
Great.
audiences, it's great if you're putting out good stuff, and
Yeah.
you're giving opportunity for all these great talent to showcase themselves, whether, like you
Yeah.
said, it's performers, whether it's writers, whether it's technicians. It's only about bloody time, right?
Yeah. And quite honestly, you and I are very sick of the student of the year type film. Like, where was the need for a student of the year 2? Like, where? Who asked for this? Nobody wanted it. There's, those memes, nobody,
Yes,
literally
nobody.
nobody. Karan Johar, student of the year 2. What? So, anyway,
Yeah.
so we are
Yes.
kind of sick of all that forced down our throat, Star Kids thing, whatever. I'm not going to go down the N word, but
Yes.
it's just great to see this kind of content, and the fact that there are enough and more people consuming it is a great sign.
Is also a good sign. It's also a good
Yes,
sign. And
yes. So yeah, on that note, we will take your leave, and if you have anything you'd like to add to this conversation, please leave us a comment. If you have any suggestions for what we should react to next, do the same, and we will see you in another video very soon. Bye.
bye.